Here at Glamorous, we love our natural ingredients, and if there is one that is as effective as it is available, is definitely milk. Here are some amazing ways you can use this kitchen must-have to keep your skin healthy and bright. Did you know that raw milk is an excellent cleanser that can drive out all the gunk trapped in your pores? You can simply wash your entire face with milk or make this super quick concoction. All you need is 2 tablespoons of red lentil powder and 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder. To this, add milk, which is going to bind the rest of the ingredients and allow the paste to stay on your skin before washing it off. You don't need to go on a holiday to get a tan, and most of us deal with an uneven skin tone. Thankfully, milk is a mild exfoliant that helps blow away the duller skin cells when used regularly. Add a pinch of turmeric to 2 tablespoons of raw milk and apply using a brush or even your fingers. Let this stay for 15 minutes and wash it off with cold water. While it's known that our ancestors would actually bathe in milk, here is how you can use this all over your body for baby soft skin. Take 1/4 cup of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of the skin softening milk and enough of finely ground coffee to make a thick paste. Use this all over your body before bathing for skin that is smooth, free of cellulite and stretch marks. Milk is amazing on sensitive areas like your lips and helps reduce pigmentation as well. For this overnight lip mask, all you need to do is take a few washed rose petals and add 3 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of saffron and a tablespoon of honey. Apply this luxurious mix on your lips with a Q-tip. Do this weekly for soft and rosy lips. No doubt that milk leaves our skin glowing and radiant, and this is the easiest way to make sure you end up treating your face to it every day. All you have to do is pour whole milk into an ice tray and once frozen, rub it on your face for 3 to 4 minutes. Now massage using your fingers in circular motions. Do this every night before bed for your skin to remain supple and hydrated. We hope this video makes you run to your fridge and try all these fun and effective DIYs. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.